Hi, this is Chris Railing and Joseph Rice, here to talk about the programming language Logo. Logo was developed in the 1970s by researchers at MIT with assistance from other computer scientists around the globe. The whole language was designed as a learning tool so that people with any amount of programming experience could pick up Logo and find it easy to work with. Even elementary schoolers. In fact, if you had the LEGO Mindstorms programmable robot kit as a kid, then you've programmed in a form of Logo. The Logo language is actually a dialect of Lisp, one of the most widely known functional programming languages. Its core library has contained plenty of operations needed for Lisp processing. Even though Logo is designed for new programmers, you can do anything in Logo that you could do in languages like Haskell or Scheme. Despite being a full-fledged functional language, Logo isn't famous for being good at Lisp processing. Instead, Logo is famous for how it handles graphics. Logo's turtle graphics, as they're called, are different from the graphics packages in languages like Java. Each Logo interpreter gives the user a canvas with a turtle cursor, so called because the language originally moved a robotic turtle in real life that draws on the screen when moved. Using the simple commands available to you, you can actually create very complex drawings with the turtle. Here's Joseph with a walkthrough and demo of our example program, which does exactly that.
Alright, so this part of the video, I'm going to show you a demonstration of how our code works. So Logo is a programming language for kids, so it's used in like Mindstorms and stuff like that. And one of the main features is this thing known as turtle graphics, which you can see from this UC Berkeley version of Logo. They have this little turtle on their clock tower. But what I'm going to demonstrate right now are the predefined functions that I created for our main project. Like I mentioned before, our project is mainly for drawing for kids. And so in this file, I have this procedure called diamond, which takes an integer as input and creates a diamond given these instructions. I can pull this up for you really quick. So pulling this up, all I have to do is go File, Load Logo Session, and I can click on Diamond, right? And to run this project, all I have to do is call this procedure name called Diamond. And I can pass it anything like 150, press Run, and then it runs. And I can do this for any size, so I can do like, let's say 10. Oh, and it created a tiny one, and now let's do 1,000. It creates this huge one, right? I can also do this command called clear screen, which clears our screen from everything. And so essentially that's what all these little files are for. Triangle, square, S, rectangle, mirrored rhombus, lotus. But our main project is this main file. And so what I have it doing is loading in all our predefined shapes that we created in the other files. And what it does is it randomly selects from the different shapes that we've loaded in what to draw on the screen. As you can see here, through all this commenting, I have this right here called Make Drawings, which randomly chooses a number 1 through 1000 to tell us how many drawings are going to be on there. And then we also have this variable right here called Rand Shape, which depending on what random number draws a certain one. So now if we go over here, we can load in the main session. I'm going to make this bigger for everyone so that you can see it. And all I have to do is call main. It randomly draws from those predefined shapes all over the screen. So now, every time I run it, I have it running that command clear screen to clear it. And it is random, as you can see, because before it's drawing a bunch, now it's drawing not too much. And it's just drawing a bunch and a bunch and a bunch all over the screen. And that's what this project was mostly focused on, was the turtle graphics and the ability to randomly create shapes all over the screen. And what's cool about this is since our main file loads in all the other files, I can call these commands because they're already preloaded now. So now I can call like square 20. And it draws a square, do it again, right? This time I'll make it 200. And because I've already predefined it, it's there. And that's pretty much the main part of our project. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this interesting. I found it really fun to create. All right, thank you for watching.